Hey, Simon again, Blue Brick Inspections. So whenever you have a dryer vent that is on the interior wall of a home and it is going straight up and out of the roof, you need to periodically clean those, like annually. If you don't, then you can get buildup, okay, kind of like this, okay. Buildup. Massive amount of buildup right here. And all this is damp. All of that was preventing the flap from even closing. So just, keep that in mind, because this is a serious fire hazard. This stuff is a serious fire hazard. So just remember to get it inspected. Hey, this is Simon, Blue Brick Inspections. Give me a call if you need anything. Have a great day.